Hello everyone, my name is Adam Magana and this is my district profile for Chaffee Joint Union High School District. Now, some defining characteristics of Chaffee Joint Union High School District is that it is a district made up of 8 public high schools, a continuation high school, an online high school, a community day school, an adult school, and has alternative programs available. It is the 4th largest high school district in the state and has been around since 1911. The District Board of Trustees live by the belief that nothing is more important than student learning and their achievement. I have included on this slide a map of the boundaries for each of the high schools that are available. So as you can see here in the green, we have everything that belongs to Colony High School. Everything in the red belongs to Montclair High School. If you live in the purple, you belong to Etiwanda, so on and so forth. Now, Chaffee Joint Union High School District prides itself in ranking at the top of all large high school districts throughout the state when it comes to student success in academic performance. Chaffee Joint Union High School District also has the highest graduation rates in San Bernardino County, and they are fully committed to ensure that all students in the district will graduate ready for college and their careers. Now, their demographic composition. Now, in this district, there are roughly 24,000 students enrolled, and a majority of the student body is made up of Hispanics or Latinos. And of the 24,000 students enrolled in the district, 11% of the students classify as special ed, almost 5% classify as homeless, 61% are qualified as low income, almost 7% are English learners, and 0.4% are foster youth. Which makes up about 100 students. District Plan and LCAP priorities. LCFF provides funds to improve student outcomes for all students, especially English learners, low income, and foster youth. Chaffee Joint Union High School District has formulated an LCAP set with 5 distinct goals to support all students within the district. Chaffee Joint Union High School District has anticipated that they will receive $246,623,143. Now, for their first goal, this district wants to focus on college and careers. They want their students to be able to demonstrate college and career readiness and are planning to use about $27 million to attain this goal. Now, with that $27 million, they plan on meeting all the goals listed here. For example, they want to increase the graduation rate of all student populations. They also want to be able to increase the percent of students achieving standard met or exceeded on the CASP. And lastly, they want to be able to decrease the number of freshmen who have completed their freshman year of high school with 45 or fewer credits. Now, for their second goal, the district plans on using $4 million to provide meaningful professional development in research-based strategies and technology implementation to improve classroom instruction and support increases in student achievement. As with the first goal, the district plans on using the $4 million to reach the goals listed here. Being a substitute teacher for this district, I am able to attest that they are actively working on these goals listed. I have encountered district employees working to ensure there is an increase and improvement in technology access for students in classrooms as well as other instructional settings. Moving on to goal number 3. Chaffee Joint Union High School District plans to use over $26 million to provide safe and caring campus environments that engage students in their schools. The district plans on achieving this goal by providing mental health services to support students, providing mentorship services for foster youth, and providing counseling and interventions to decrease suspensions, expulsions, truancies, and dropouts, as well as all the other goals listed here. For the fourth main goal, this district aims to use over $700,000 to provide effective communication and strong relationships with all stakeholders. With this money, they plan to increase parent involvement by providing technology applications that allow for communication between home and school, as well as opportunities for parents to become more involved with their child's school. Their final goal, the district aims to use over $500,000 to provide physical solvency and transparency for all stakeholders, meaning that they will ensure that they achieve positive certifications at each interim, complete all audits successfully, and provide accurate multi-year projection reviews. In other words, they will work to ensure that they are spending their money wisely and documenting where the money is going. Recent changes. As I have previously mentioned, I am a substitute teacher for this district. I also graduated from a school in this district and was surprised to see how much has changed within the last few years alone. Some recent changes that I have noticed is that there are student mentors, one-on-one technology, and Saturday school. The student mentors that are hired are college students that go to select classes throughout the day and help students with their coursework. As for the one-on-one technology, every classroom that I have stepped in has at least one Chromebook per student. If a class doesn't have a Chromebook cart or Chromebook stored somewhere in the classroom, there are carts readily available for teachers to grab and utilize. Lastly, each school site has select Saturdays throughout the school year where they allow students to go to teachers' classrooms and work on missing assignments or seek additional help. Their attendance to these Saturday schools also make up for the days students have missed throughout the school year. Strengths and challenges. Starting with the strengths, Chaffey Joint Union High School District creates relationships with local colleges, universities, and cities that benefit students, families, the schools, and the community. A strength that this district prides itself in is the guaranteed admission to select four-year universities. The universities that they have a partnership with are the California State University of San Bernardino, California State University of Bakersfield, Cal Poly Pomona, APU, Grand Canyon University, California Baptist University, University of Laverne, and the University of Redlands. This picture at the bottom here is a picture with the superintendent, the board of trustees, as well as the provost from the Cal Baptist University and their recent partnership signing. Another partnership that this school district has is with the Ontario Promise Scholars and Montclair Online to College. These partnerships provide admission and free tuition to local community colleges after graduation. A third strength is that the district provides college and career readiness opportunities that include career interest assessment and programs, access to ROP courses, college and career fairs and other events, and curriculum that develops employability, life, and learning skills. The fourth strength that they have is requiring teachers to implement those T skills, which is also known as the technology skills, career exploration, employability skills, life and learning skills, into their curriculum so that students will have the foundation needed for post-secondary pursuits, albeit college or careers. Moving on to the challenges. After subbing for this district and talking to other teachers and students, it became clear that there are a few challenges that this district has. Some of the challenges are integrating diversity into the curriculum, career awareness and exploration, class size, and holding all teachers accountable. In concerning the class size, as you can see in this picture here, the average class size was a little bit above 30 students back between the years 2013 and 2015. And the average between the county and the state was under 30. Now, even though it's not posted here, I can assure you that the class sizes are now between 35 to 40 students per class, which is a bit excessive. Now, moving on to the recommendations. My recommendations would be to approve books that promote diversity and diverse concepts, and possibly doing away with the literature that students of this demographic have difficulty in identifying with. Also, providing opportunities for students to experience and explore different career opportunities. A way that they could do this is by taking students on field trips or having them observe professionals in their workspace. Another point is to fix their large classrooms, they could hire additional teachers and create more classrooms. And lastly, they can check teacher lesson plans and ensure that they are continuing to instruct rigorous and relevant lessons. And that is Chaffee Joint Union High School District. And all my resources are provided here. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it.